Hi, this is Caitlin. This is our control valve. If you're interested, please follow me. VCA anti-rust bags, the label, Shumatt logo. If you want to print your own logo, contact us. Logo, label, packaging bag, and so on. Product code F00VC01015. Application model number 0451059. QR code. 2 tabs of the packages. Oil paper. The whole side. We also sell in separate parts, valve cap with coating and cover letters, valve roll in different size, different lengths. If you want other sizes, contact us. If you're not familiar with the model number, send us product code. We can help you to check it. 3 tips: clean it with oil. Make sure the valve cap in the right position. Make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye bye.